Arts work fly.
Today I'm going to show you how to make a cheap green screen. You're going to need 6 cartridge paper. It costs about $400 in Jamaica, probably about $3 US. So what you're going to do, you're going to spread out your 6 cartridge papers on the ground, or if you have a large table, and then you're going to overlap them, then you're going to tape them vertically. I am using a masking tape or a paper tape, but any tape will do. The color of the cartridge paper that I'm using is lime green, but I heard that any green can use, but I'm not sure. But I would advise to just get lime green. So this is how I overlap them. My camera cannot zoom in too much. Then I went ahead and continued taping. The cartridge paper was lifting, and this is the result of it. It caused the partition in the background behind me. This background hides the line, but what you need to do to fix it is to glue the cartridge paper together with where they overlap. You can also move the cartridge paper to a smoother section. In this clip, the cartridge paper is now glued together, and this is the result. This is a sneak peek of a video coming up, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.